Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. There's construction on the playground. Today, Leo the truck will build a home for robots. A concrete mixer pours the concrete mixture from the drum to make a solid foundation. Just a bit more. Enough, concrete mixer. Enough. Thanks a lot. Here is Leo the truck. He brought items for the base. Robots, you'll have your home soon. The green building is the central building. Robots will play here with friends. These are the wings, purple and blue. This is the elevator to the roof. A long yellow column. This is an orange platform that goes up and down. This yellow spire completes the structure. These are doors. Windows. Many windows to make the house light. The robots like it. The roofs of the wings. Three yellow slides to ride from the roof of the central building to the wings. Is the robot base ready? No! The house isn't enough for one robot. Violet is ready. Blue, too. The red robot has no home. Leo, will you help? Leo the truck arrived at Lifty's shop. Hi, do you need a new house? Pick. Green? No. Burgundy? We need a red house. That one. We load it into the trailer and take it to the robot base. Thanks, Lifty. The robots are waiting for Leo the truck. He arrived. we set up the red house. The robot is happy. Thanks, Leo.